In this video, I will explain to you 4 efficient strategies to identify a bearish reversal with technical analysis in gold trading. You will learn price action, SMC, technical indicators, powerful bearish signals. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. First, let me remind you that different bearish signals may indicate a different magnitude and the degree of a bearish reversal. While some signals will be reliable for predicting short-term reversals, some will be more accurate in projecting the long-term ones. One more thing to note is that one of the best time frames for a confirmation of a bearish reversal on gold is the daily time frame. So all the examples that we will go through will be strictly on a daily time frame. Bearish reversal signal number 1. Bearish price action pattern. One of the perfect indicators of the overbought state of a bullish trend on gold is bearish price action patterns. I'm talking about classic horizontal neckline based patterns like the inverted cup and handle pattern, descending triangle, double top, and head and shoulders pattern. Typically, these patterns leave early bearish clues and help to predict a coming downturn movement. A strong bearish signal is a breakout of a horizontal neckline of the pattern and the candle close below. The price may continue falling at least to the next key support then. That is the example of a formation of a head and shoulders pattern on a daily. The formation of the pattern was the evidence of the overbought state of the market, and the violation of the neckline of the pattern and the daily candle close below that confirmed that. Then the neckline was retested and the market continued falling rapidly. Bearish reversal signal number 2. Rising channel breakout. When the market trades in a healthy bullish trend, it usually starts moving within the boundaries of a rising channel. It can be the expanding, parallel, or contracting channel. The support of the channel will represent a strong vertical structure from where new bullish waves will initiate after corrections. The breakout of such a support will indicate the change of the market sentiment and the highly probable coming bearish reversal. Don't miss my next free gold trading signal. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel now. The link in the description below. Look at this rising parallel channel on gold chart on a daily. The market was trading within this channel for more than 3 months. And of course, the support of the channel was a strong vertical structure from where bullish waves initiated. The breakout of the support of the channel was a strong bearish signal that pushed the prices much lower and accurately indicated a coming bearish wave. Bearish reversal signal number 3. Change of character and the bearish price action. One of the main characteristics of a healthy bullish trend is the tendency of the price to set new higher highs and higher lows. It means that each bullish impulse completes higher than the previous bullish impulse, and each correction completes higher than the previous correction. In such a price action, a very important point is always the level of the last higher low. In a bullish trend, you should always pay attention to the level of the last higher low, because while the price is staying above that, the market remains bullish. But if the price violates the level of the last higher low, it is a very important event that is called change of character. Change of character signifies the violation of a bullish trend. Once you spotted a confirmed change of character, you should pay attention to the consequent price action. After the change of character, you should look for a pullback, a minor correction, a formation of a lower high, and the consequent bearish continuation and the formation of a new lower low, so that the rules for a bearish trend would be met. 2 consequent lower lows and a lower high between them. That is a very perfect example of a confirmed change of character on gold on a daily. You can see that the price successfully violated the level of the last higher low. We closed below that, and the bullish trend is now violated. To confirm the bearish reversal, to confirm the global violation of a bullish trend and start of a new bearish trend, we will need to wait for some bullish movement with the formation of a lower high, and then a strong bearish wave with the formation of a new lower low. It will confirm the start of a new bearish trend. Bearish reversal signal number 4, the death cross. Death cross is a strong long-term bearish reversal signal that is based on a crossover of two moving averages. On a daily time frame, it is usually based on two simple moving averages, one with 50 lengths and one with 200 length. It is commonly believed that it signifies that the market enters a long-term bearish trend. The signal is considered to be confirmed when 50 lengths simple moving average crosses below the 200 lengths simple moving average. From a current perspective, in order to confirm a long-term bearish reversal on gold, we will need this blue moving average to cross below this orange moving average. The 4 bearish signals that we discussed will be useful for predicting short-term, mid-term and long-term bearish reversals on gold. While price action patterns will indicate a short-term bearish reversal and short-term bearish movements, the death cross will indicate the long-term bearish reversal. Learn to recognize all the bearish signals that we discussed. It will help you to make more accurate trading and investing decisions. Let me know your in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, let me know how do you track a bearish reversal. Don't miss my next free gold trading signal. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel now, the link in the description below, and also traders, please watch my other videos.